military in this country and all over the world, and for your families and your friends who understand more than a lot of us do what you sacrifice on a daily basis, not just the ultimate sacrifice. So this is a song for all of you soldiers. And I just want to add to our soldiers, I just want to say, I want to include in there our police officers and our firefighters and our EMTs and a lot of folks that put their life on the line every morning. They wake up, they leave their families, and they don't know what's going to happen. So we got a lot of soldiers in our lives keeping us safe, and we know that in this country it's hard to keep everybody safe, and so we got to be thankful and mindful. So again, I say, this is for all the soldiers, and I say, let's hold a light up for every soldier that's anywhere connected to us, anywhere in this whole world. And let's show them that we're thinking about them. Let's show them that they matter to us more than we show them every day. Let's light this place up. 89 cents in the ashtray, half empty bottle of Gatorade rolling in the floorboard. That dirty Braves cap on the dash, dog tags hanging from the rear, old skull cannon cowboy boots and a gold army shirt folded in the back. This thing burns gas like crazy. People got their ways of coping, and I got mine. I drive your truck, I roll every window down, and I burn it up. Every back road in this town, I find a few, I tear it up till all the pain's a cloud of dust here sometimes. I drive your truck. Look at all the soldiers in the house.